Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a use case diagram in Lucidchart. A use case diagram is a simple way to show how users, also called actors, interact with the system. It gives a high-level view of goals, processes, and system boundaries. First, log into Lucidchart. Start with a blank canvas or choose a template. Make sure the UML shape library is enabled so you can use the standard symbols. Next, add actors. These are shown as stick figures. Drag them onto the canvas to represent users or external systems. Then add use cases. These are oval shapes that represent tasks or goals the system supports. Now connect actors to use cases with lines. To define scope, place your use cases inside a system boundary box. You can also group related elements with packages if needed. Finally, adjust colors, labels, and layout to make your diagram clear. When you are done, share it with your team or export it for presentations. This is how you create a use case diagram in Lucidchart.